In this video, we are going to be totally revamping a family member's gaming setup. Everything from the desk all the way to the computer. Before this video, the desk being used was a very small, cheap corner desk that was just barely large enough to house a 27-inch 2560 by 1440p gaming monitor. Those computers back then, we're talking about maybe 5 to 10 years ago, didn't really efficiently utilize space like they do today, because the drive cages literally could house almost a half dozen 3.5-inch hard disk drives, and there was just so much room in that case that wasn't being used that I felt the need to gut out all those internal components and install them into the Phanteks Eclipse P360A. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the revamped gaming setup. If you'd like to check out the video where I actually rebuilt the gaming PC into the Phanteks Eclipse P360A, go ahead and check out the upper right hand corner of the screen. Not only did I do an unboxing video of that case, I also compared it to the Phanteks Eclipse 500A. If you've made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you for watching. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing. As always, I will see you in the next one.